My name is Nachaka
My name is Della
Porter.
We lived here 35 years, and we live in Humboldt Park.
It's been years since we were able to even raise the windows up. They would break apart. They were the original windows from when this house was built. So my mom would complain every spring that she could not open up her windows. So she told me that, well, make sure you find someone that can restore the art on the windows because I need to keep it. And something told me, go on the Chicago Bungalow Association. So I went on Instagram and I'm looking through and I'm like, oh my God, I found it. It was several people on there that actually had their windows restored through this company called Mulligan, and the project started.
And they are beautiful. I love it. I can lay the windows up. I can keep them up for a while, let fresh air come in, and I just love it.
And you have your original windows.
Yes, I do.
They restored them, and I mean, they are perfect. My late dad, he's been gone a year now, and he loved those windows too.
We was looking for a house because the kids were small. We came through here, just looking, and we looked at the house. He said, those are beautiful windows, babe. And he loved it. That's why I wanted to stay. I did not want to change him at all.